Good morning students, welcome to your English Mont 2 class. Hey kids, today we will write A to Z, capital and small alphabets on our English copy. Let's start. Students, you have to write with colors. Here I have pink color and I start with the pink color. You have to write firstly A, apple. A. And what's the sound of A? A. Same sound. A. What comes after A? B. B for ball. B for ball. B. Ball. What's the sound of B? B. B. Ball. What comes after B? C. And what's the sound of C? K. K. Cup. And D. What comes after C? D. And the sound of D is D. D. Doll. Apple, ball, cup, D. Doll. E for elephant. E for elephant. And what's the sound of E? E. E. Elephant. E. Egg. What comes after E? G. G for glass. G for glass. And what's the sound of G? G. G. Glass. H. H for house. H for house. And what's the sound of H? H. Her house. I for iron. I for ice cream. And what's the sound of I? Igloo. A. A is the sound of I. J. The sound of J is J. K. What's the sound of K? K. L. L. L is the sound of L. M. M. What's the sound of M? Mango. N. What's the sound of N? O. What's the sound of O? O. Same sound. P. What's the sound of P? P. 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 Pencil. What's the sound of Q? Q. R. What's the sound of R? R. S. What's the sound of S? S. T. What's the sound of T? T. U. What's the sound of U? Umbrella. V. What's the sound of V? V. Van. What comes after V? W. What's the sound of W? W. Watch. X. What's the sound of X? X. X. Y. What's the sound of Y? Y. And here's the last sound. Z. Z. What's the sound of Z? Z. Zip. Kids, now it's your turn. You have to write A to Z, capital and small, on your English copy and also read it. Allah Hafiz.